And as you know, I will be out of the office for the next 2 weeks due to state testing. So I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what to expect and how to be successful when you are completing the Much Ado About Nothing unit. Okay, I don't want you to stress about this unit. It has been built with the intent that I am out of class. There are so many resources in here, and if you are reading and watching everything that's in here, you are going to do fine on these comprehension quizzes. Okay, so here in the classroom, we have a prepare for the unit. Read all of these pages, okay? It has an introduction, why you should care, video overview, terms related to drama, understanding comedy, tragedy, and tragicomedy, a character web, recurring symbols and motifs in the play. Read all of this. Take the time to read it, okay? And then in each act, every act of this class, that you're reading for the story has tons of information, okay? We have um, uh, scene summaries, we have an online text, we have audio recording, and then there's analysis of every single or of not every single scene, but of key scenes in that particular act. So take the time to watch them, okay? You would have spent an hour with me in class. Take those 22 minutes and watch those videos, all right? And then there's also more supplemental highlight videos to kind of just see key parts of the scene acted out. All right. One thing I want to bring to your attention is you are going to have to complete a theme chart. Now, this thing looks incredibly intimidating, but I don't want you to be intimidated. Okay. When you look at it, what I'm asking you to do is just answer a few simple questions. I want you to really get a good understanding of the play. So you're going to be reading excerpts from the play and answering different questions. I highly recommend that you watch. Oh, sorry, my computer froze. I really recommend that you go through all the pages of each act before you attempt to answer these questions. All right, so that way you have a really good understanding of the play. Now, it does seem intimidating. It's 13 pages, and you're probably like, Mrs. Halpin, what are you trying to do to me? The reason why it's so long is because of these excerpts, okay? If you do if you answer these questions a little bit after each act, then it's really not going to be that bad. All right, I'm not looking, do not give me full paragraphs for every one of these responses. All right, I'm looking for 1 to 2 sentences. If you really want to go big, give me 3 sentences, but this is um, just give 2 sentences should be sufficient for each one of these answers. I'm not looking for extended responses here. Just give me the answer, okay? Um, if you have any questions at all about Much Ado About Nothing, you just need to email me. I'm more than happy to email you, or you can text me. I can answer your text messages that way. But everything you need to be successful on this play is in the classroom. So make sure you're taking that time to go through those pages and watch those videos. All right. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I will see you guys when I get back from end of course testing. Thank you.